Hey YouTube, so I'm back again and I'm here to do my 6-week update on my hair. And like I said in my other video, this is the Aliexpress Clean Hair Products Virgin Straight Hair. I have in 4 bundles in the lengths 12, 14, 16, and 18 inch, and I have it on a sew in. So what I've done differently to the hair from my last couple of videos is I took out my glue tracks from the front. I did it because I really wanted to give my hair a break from the glue. I usually groom my hair every week, so I will re-glue these tracks in it, and my hair, I just feel like my hair is starting to tear out. The glue leaves weird flakes in my hair, and I don't want my hair to fall off. I really don't want my hair to fall off, so I decided to give my hair a break from the glue. So I did take all the tracks out, so this is just all my leave out here at the top, and I've just been wearing a headband. So I'm probably going to do this for a while or catch my hair up in a ponytail, but more than likely I will just wear a headband. So all I did was kind of gel my sides, and it's probably messed up now because I had it in from morning. But I just kind of gelled my sides at the front and let my hair down at the back. So yes, issues with the hair, none. The hair is still great. I will admit that my hair does need to wash now, and that is because I did put some product in my hair. I did put some mousse in my hair the other day to see if it would help to define my curls, but I noticed that it didn't. It might be because of the mousse that I have, or I don't know, but because the mousse was in there, I do feel like the hair is getting a little dry. Not the hair's fault, my fault, or the hair product's fault really, but I know that once I wash, the hair will be perfectly fine after that. So all I've really done is put the Moroccan argan oil in the hair and things like that. At night I continue to braid it or put it in a ponytail and cover it over with my satin bonnet. So yes, shedding has not changed. It's very minimal. Tangling, it tangles a little bit at the back, but the only reason why I had tangling for this week is because I did have my hair curly for a little bit, and it did get a little bit tangly in the back. But when the hair is straight, I don't have any tangles. Like, I have no tangles right now. Like, no problems with tangling now. So I would say there was no tangling, but I did experience tangling when the hair was curled. So I don't know why that is. But the hair is doing great. I am loving it so much. I get compliments from time to time about my hair. So yeah, I'm really liking it. I'm loving how it blends with my natural hair. I'm loving all of that. I like that the hair is kind of out of my face, and you can perfectly see my extra round face. Yes, I kind of like to. I'm gonna enjoy wearing my hair like this for a while. I might buy some more headbands. I'm probably gonna buy some more from shopmissae.com so I can get other colors so that it can match with my outfits. But for now, I do have black and silver and black and gold, so that will have to work for me for now. But I'm starting to blab on. So yeah, I mean, hair is doing absolutely great. No problems with the hair. It's perfectly fine. Rocking my leave out at the front. Yeah, I'm liking my hair out of my face. It needs to be out of my face now, like, for real. I mean, it looks even cute with sitting here in a ponytail. So yes, so that's it. I really don't have anything else to say about the hair. I mean, it's doing great. I mean, if you really want to see the progress of my hair, just check out the videos in my channel and see what I've said in my couple previous videos. I've done an initial install video. Actually, I've done an unboxing video, an initial install video, a 2-week, a 2-week, 4, 5, and this is now my 6-week update. So I've done a couple updates on the hair. I'm definitely want to keep you guys updated with how my hair is doing, and I also want to track it myself to see if this hair is doing as well as I want it to do for the amount of money that I spent on it. So yes, I'm loving it so far. 2 thumbs up, so that is good. Alrighty guys, thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Please leave any comments down below, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.